CUET is not that complicated, I swear to God. Here's a no-nonsense guide on tracking CUET starting today. Write one of the free mocks of Afterboards. Write 2 past year papers, which is also free on Afterboards. Once you do that, you'll notice that your scores are not the best. It's fine, even the king has bad days. Luckily, you have time to improve. Open your SWOT analysis. It tells you where you suck, मतलब आपका weak areas क्या है. So this student attempted 2 past year papers and 1 free mock of business studies. They have 3 chapters within strengths. The remaining are under their threats. Now your logical common sense tells you, hey, I should prioritize the chapters that are not in my strengths so that I can improve that, so that I can get more marks in the next mock exam that I write. For this student, it makes more sense to practice organizing chapter as compared to marketing, because organizing mein, they got 10 questions correct, 3 wrong, and they left 1 unanswered. In marketing, they got 13 out of the 14 questions correct. Now recall the law of diminishing marginal utility from your economics class. You putting 1 more unit of work into the organizing chapter is going to give you a lot more results as compared to you putting 1 hour of work in your marketing chapter. So now the question is, bhaiya, how do I study organizing ka chapter? Bhai, दुनिया भर के videos है YouTube पे. I genuinely do not think you need to worry about it. Resources के कमी नहीं है. YouTube में search करो, top playlist देखो, and I'm sure most of the teachers are pretty similar. Again, recall economics. Right now, the CUET videos on YouTube are very homogeneous. It's like asking, should I take Colgate, should I take Pepsodent, Sensodyne? Shit. It's like asking, should I take Pepsodent, should I take Colgate, should I take Sensodyne? Bhai, try everything for 15 minutes and see जो आपको पसंद आ रहा है. I might like teacher X, you might like teacher Y. Both of us will score good marks. ऐसे कुछ crazy पढ़ाएंगे नहीं teacher X जो teacher Y भी नहीं पढ़ाएंगे. Do not worry. See which teacher matches with your vibe. Okay, so you've read the NCERT chapter, you've watched the videos, you've done the practice tests on our website. Now again, write a couple of mocks, a couple of PYPs. Repeat the process. Look at your SWOT analysis again. Is your non-strengths go inside your strengths ka quadrant? If yes, good job. You are doing well. Will it happen overnight? Absolutely not. Rome was not built in a day, but every day Rome was being built. So understand that this is an iterative process. You need to keep going through this circle of writing a mock, figuring out where you suck, revising those places so you don't suck there, and then writing a mock again. And then the cycle continues until the day of your exam. At that time, you have to just give it your best attempt. That's pretty much it. Do not complicate CUET more than this. And obviously, use our deep analytics. जो भी mocks attempt हुआ है, उसको tick mark करो, नीचे में filter लगाओ. Show me all the wrong and unanswered questions of my last 10 mocks. ये सब questions को देखो. See if you remember the correct answer now. See if you've understood the process. Try solving it if it's a numerical. And if you're able to get it, well and good. You have actually derived the learning outcomes out of a mock as intended. If it is not happening, revise it again. Open the solution, read the solution, understand it, make a note of it, put it in your notebook, put it in your brain, do whatever memory trick that you have in order to learn this. The main idea is, जो भी errors है, अभी ही सब errors आपके system से निकाल दो मॉक के प्रैक्टिस में, टॉपिक टेस्ट के प्रैक्टिस में, PYP के प्रैक्टिस में, ताकि एक्चुअल एग्जाम में आप ये सब गलती रिपीट नहीं करोगे. And apart from this, I don't really think there's any magical solution, magical 30-day strategy. You need to put in the hard work, you need to put in the real effort, you need to stop chasing shortcuts, and you will get your dream college. Don't overcomplicate CUET, okay? See you on Afterboards. This is an ad for CUET mocks that are error-free and based on the 2026 syllabus. कुछ crazy दिखाना है मुझे. This student wrote all these 6 English mocks. She can select a word, define the meaning, and all the words that she defined on the platform will be stored. You can also analyze all your mocks at once on the basis of the topic or whether you got them right or wrong. And this way you can see your strengths and weaknesses based on the topics that you've attempted. The best time to study was 2 weeks ago. The second best time is now, I guess. And